We are 1 month on trial. To do fire and how long we will be. How can I tell you?
How long will it take?
How long we will stay?
How long it will take? How long the ceasefire will last?
Yes?
Yes.
Johan, can you tell me about something about your group?
My group is a group of ex-soldiers who were in the Dutch Army for at least 14 months to a lot of years. And they are here now for a couple of months helping the Croatian people with their war against the Serbian people.
You're a volunteer here. Why?
I'm a volunteer here because I am an English and I want to help the Croatian people to fight for freedom and democracy.
What do you think about this our and now your war?
I think it's a dirty war because if there is rain and you can see what the enemy is doing to not only soldiers but also civil people, I think that you can see the other side as war criminals.
What do you expect finish of that war when?
I hope as soon as possible, but we don't know because the techniques are still provocating and scanning the ceasefire, so I don't know.
You're here in Gospic, and you told me before that you like to provocating. What would be tomorrow for 2 days or something like that?
I don't know. We just stay in position and only operate when the enemy is coming again to provocate, and maybe we can take them out of the area again.
What do you think about Croatian soldiers?
The Croatian soldier, I know it wasn't an army before, but what I've seen, they're organizing themselves at this moment very well. And they're fighting with the heart to defend their country and the property, so they have to be good soldiers.
Thank you. You're from France. Why are you here?
To fight for freedom and democracy.
Why?
Why? Because Serbians and the communists depressed the Croatian people, and now they have a right to be free and with their own government and parliament.
Okay, thank you. You're from France.
Yes.
You are too from France. You left your family, and can you tell me why?
Because I like to fight for your country, because I like democracy and freedom. We are free in Holland, and I think you also have the right to be free here.
You told me before that you will stay live here after war. Is it true?
It's possible, yes.
Why?
Because I like this country. It's beautiful, the air is clean, the people are friendly. It's better than in my own country. Yes.
And what do you expect when the war will be finished?
I hope as soon as possible, but I have my doubts about it.
What?
My doubts.
What?
Questions about it.
What? What's that?
Because Czechs and the Serbians still keep on attacking us in spite of the ceasefire. I don't understand that.
And what do you think is this ceasefire? How long will it last?
How long will it last?
Yes.
I hope it will last forever.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
You're from?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Okay, and you are here a few months. And what do you think about that war?
Yeah, I come here help the people, and it's for free card, hoe moet je dat zeggen? Freedom and
Democracy.
democracy.
Yes. Okay. Do you like Croatia?
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you. You're not from Holland, you are from US.
That's correct.
That's correct. Tell me, why are you here?
I was following the war on television, and I was impressed by the heroic stands of the Croatian soldiers at Vukovar. I thought they were very brave, and I wanted to join them in this honorable war.
Yes? And you are in Gospic now. How long you are here?
Since December 22nd.
Yes, and what do you think about this war and these people and everything?
Well, it's not like Vietnam. I think you can kick them out maybe 6 months from now. I don't think it'll go on forever like Vietnam.
Was in Vietnam?
Yes, I was.
Yes?
Yes.
And can you tell me a difference, a war, technically war, from Vietnam and Croatian war?
Well, I can't really say because I haven't seen the combat here. Vietnam was a slaughterhouse, but I haven't seen the action here, so I can't really make any direct comparisons yet.
What do you think when war here will be finished?
I can't really say. I don't know that much about the military situation, to tell you the truth, hon. There are no English language newspapers there, so I don't really know what's going on.
Yes. And this position, where you are every day, what do you think about finish war in this position, in Gospic?
Well, shortly after I got here, there was a ceasefire, and we run mostly recon patrol in no man's land. But like I said, so far there's been no contact.
Yeah.
And I'm just, more confused than anything about the situation here, really.
Yeah. Can you tell me something about our enemy?
About the Federal Army, I know very little except that they like to kill civilians in cities and massacre people. That's about all I know about them.
Yes. And about satnik?
I bet I know even less about.
Okay, thank you.
You're quite welcome.
Why are you here?
Same as the rest.
Yes. And you have good weapons. You fight with this weapon.
Okay.
Every weapon. Are you a professional soldier?
I was in 1983 in the peacekeeping forces in Lebanon, and the Blue Barracks.
And when you came here?
The 10th of December, and now it's 2 months here.
You was in Blue Barracks, and you know something about war. What do you think about this war here?
Guilty. The things they do to the civilians, kill old people and children, they don't, if they fight against soldiers, it's normal, but don't kill the people. Yeah.
Can you tell me what is this? On your face?
It was with contact with enemy on patrol on Vietnam. Very close combat.
Very dangerous.
Also very dangerous.
Okay. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
And will you stay here afterwards?
If possible.
Why?
It's a nice country. You have everything here. Sea, mountains, bears, wolves.
See?
Yes, everything.
I hope that we will see each other afterwards.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Can you tell me something about living and fighting here in Croatia? You are from Holland too.
Living in Croatia, well, my time here was very good. Comfortable, good food, nice people. But fighting is very dangerous.
Yeah.
Well, almost every patrol we walked, we got contact with the enemy. And almost every time there was death one that died, but not on our side. Yes, it was a bullet through my hand, my second control, about a month ago. So now I can use my hand again.
It's dangerous here, you tell me that. And why are you here?
I heard in Holland there was a group of Dutch guys going to Croatia to help people here. I find it a bit for joining.
Okay.
Mm.
And why are you going there?
For free the country and save the people, and against the Dutch communists.
What do you think about? You understand the other side?
All about Lugo Army and Serb Army. I think it's the same army like this, but I got no good words to second. Animals and don't care about the life of soldiers, life of children, life of old people. They kill every man. So,
okay, I wish you good luck.
thank you.
Thank you.
En die kolon goed niet. Ja, ik was Ja, maar die kreeg er wel op een nieuwe kop. Ja, dat was die ding.
Yes, wait. Nee, maar jij bent het niet sigaret.
Yes.
Mama here, what is it?
Nou, en dat lijkt me zo.
And sister, about 2.5 months. And I went back.
The terrain is also very heavy now.
Yes?
And also a lot of people from this area stayed in the small villages and defender villages.
Yes, I hear one village is down, one village is satnik village, and one...
No, it's not really that.
Oh, yes. Look, reading can be like. You are reading to know it.
It's not very difficult.
Yes.
Because we're always walking to go. Always.
Yeah, but you have good luck.
Helemaal graag te zeggen door deze gaat.
Good luck. And down. Come.
Kom.
I think this is that.
Girl.
Yes.
No.
No. But they're not in the
No.
The camera.